it's Laura with WTI. And if you're looking for a handbag that not only is going to be a beautiful statement piece, but is also going to last you a really long time because it's a good quality product, then definitely check out the Michael Kors handbag. Now, what I love about this handbag is that it is super easy to clean. I believe they call this a Saffiano leather, so you could easily just wipe it clean on the outside. It's also not incredibly huge, but comfortable enough for you to carry on a daily use, or even if you wanted to just throw your laptop in there, you can definitely do it. So I love to use this as my weekly meeting bag. I usually like to save it for special occasions as well. I love the gold details. I love how much stuff fits in it, and I've had it for a good while, so I can definitely attest to it being good quality and lasting. And that's why I love it, and that is my point of view.